energy fluctuations are within acceptable parameters.
It feels so real, yet it's just light.
A breath of fresh air, literally.
The city's heart pulses with controlled chaos, a mesmerizing dance of synchronized traffic.
The Zenith Spire, a beacon in the nightless sky.
The central hub, a self-contained world, glows with internal life, a jewel of human ingenuity in Nightless City.
This city is a universe unto itself.
Witness the dance of pure energy.
Almost missed my connection. Always rushing.
This light show never ceases to amaze me.
These gardens bring us closer to nature.
Report to Sector 7 immediately.
This massive underground data vault, the city's repository of knowledge, pulses with the very heartbeat of information itself.
Peace, a gift from our enlightened future.
Nightless City, a testament to a future forever bright. Its legacy, a beacon of enduring hope.
Get your daily glow with our hydroponic roots. Freshly picked this morning, sweetest in the sector. Come and get them before they're gone.
The eastern quadrant is showing a slight uptick in atmospheric disturbance.
Adjusting the energy field now.
I'll take one of the spiced lumen cakes, please.
Coming right up.
Did you see the energy reading today?